So guys, that is that for the light them. But the thing about it is, guys, we did a contemplate for bring back the light them. But
man, a realist family on YouTube, see?
Hey, K&D family.
I take no talk, you know.
I miss a carry on the way.
Carry on the way. And the best thing that happened to YouTube, you know.
Put God first, family.
But gotta put them family first, you know.
Put God first, family. Share and subscribe. It's like a movie. Doing a carry, I can start the show. The vlog never comes so easy. When them a vlog for family. The vlog never comes so easy. Put God first, family. Share and subscribe. It's like a movie.
Them are the realest family on YouTube, see?
Welcome back to our channel, viewers and subscribers. We hope we're having a blessed moment. And make sure so we do the ultimate, which is putting the Almighty first in everything we do. Give him the driving seat of our life and make him take control. And today, guys, with us, they have vlogged down the place. You know the motto already. Vlog world we're living in, so not forget the vlog them. Here, there, around here, everywhere. But before we get into the vlog, my people, make sure so like up the video. Also, subscribe to the channel if you don't subscribe as yet. Turn on your post notification bell so you get notified when we drop the vlog them, my people. It's very important. And don't forget to watch out the ads them. Watch out the ads them, my people. It's very important. So stay tuned, my people, because the vlog just start up and running up. Yeah, so guys, what I'm gonna go on today is I'm gonna buy them light here for the barbecue. But actually, we never, I just two of them we did use, plus we get 410, and we did use the 410 them. But the thing about it is, guys, we did a contemplate for bring back the light them because you know them no use. But what me I say is, why bring them back and the barbecue is a ear-to-ear thing? You understand? So what I do now, I save the box them, and I save everything. So what I do now, I pull down the light them and everything. So that's how I kick off the vlog, my people. I pull back the light them box over there, so and when the light them coming up. So I go pull them down, pack them up as best I can, tape them up and put them in the house. Yo guys, you see the house around the back? It's a mess. When I say it's a mess, it's a mess. That is a nest task for take on by itself. When I say take on by itself, I can't take on that task there right now. That is a task to take on by itself, what people believe. So I did already pull down them here from yesterday, but I never get to pull these because them use all in key. I never get to pull them off. So I pull them down one by one and pack them up. You understand?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body, my body says my mind, my heart, my body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? That last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I can check in with you.
Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I can check in with you.
Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I can check in with you.
Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. shopping. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So guys, that is that for the light them. So as I say around at the house is another story. I have to go clean out in there, pop up them here in the wood and things. So I can't up on the right there, so big up. Yo boy, my people, every time I'm supposed to go somewhere, I'll be a rain out to fall. Looking at the sky. From there rain one fall and it don't fall, and it choose when I'm supposed to touch road. So guys, me and Queen and the kids I'm supposed to go over Crystal today because you're supposed to host a little thing for your father-in-law with pass off and thing. Just say our father, you know the thing already. Pop up, big up yourself, you know the thing already, you see? Salute, pop anywhere you're there, you don't know, right beside that God, up and running. Some people want to just go and stay too because we're going to all about with this vlog here. I go upstairs, go trouble Queen now. I don't know what she up there, but I go up there, but get on her nerves like right now. So just go and stay tuned, my people. I hope you enjoy the vlog so far. You put God first, family. So I want big up Life with Stacey 84. Yeah, my people, I want to go subscribe to our YouTube channel. See our channel here right here, so. And see it over here, so put God first, family. And remember, she's part of the family. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share out the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell her next friend. And tell her to see me like TV. Send her over there. Big up on the... So this is what taking place right now. Thunderstorm. When you hear the thunder? Yeah, so guys, as we there I go and watch the rain, and we there I go and watch the rain, and I go and look up into the sky.
Address already set up from here. Oh, this shit came here. Oh, this shit came here. I'm like, man, this shit get a little late, you know. I sent it to my house, to the yours. She was cool. I did that because I ordered my car to 6 years. Thank you for my old that shit. It was too late for me to change the address on my so I had to wait for car.
As I'm showing you just now, it a pour out there, but I did sneak come up here to come check if Queen good, but she does sleep. So I'm gonna squeeze you come out back. So I'm gonna squeeze you come out back. But the thing about it is, guys, you know, see, you have some people, baby. I said them like how Saniqua talk on the prank yesterday. But when me say, I edit the video, guys. And if me think Saniqua say something about the things them would have post the video, no, and it's an honest reaction she a go no. She said she have to come on that vacation, and she tell Coco for work. You understand me? I say, how can me I compare she with Coco at all? She gonna stand up on her foot. But always I talk about kids for have voice. Kids for have voice, but when time pin them for have voice, gonna have problem. These are the things them the kid them are gonna ever get for when time you compare them with other kids. You understand me? I say? And the worst thing that for do in our household, you know, to compare two kids with the next one. Or make it seem like say one is more valuable than the next. You see me? So she has said only thing Saniqua say is Coco, me and me. Coco choose for my work. She never plan out her thing right. Me want to follow the vacation. And I make you say me ask mommy say yes. If Coco wants to stay, Coco stay. If you want to come, you come. And you alone that try to find something so me not come. You understand what I say? She had defended herself. I want to think Florida vacation, a joke vacation for me. Nobody listen to me. Nobody know miss the beach, the sun, and also the rain. Cause rain fall down there enough, you know. And it a shower over outside now, as I'm telling you already. So guys,
they asleep and I pick me up.
yeah.
Never.
I chop on top of carry.
Never, man, never. Ouch. Yo, mommy should have texted for you.
Laugh.
Little bit, man.
And you know how foolish this them, she laugh. Give me a kiss, give me a kiss. Ask her for a kiss.
I don't want a kiss from her, man.
So as I say, guys, the kids them have to know if they stand up for themselves. You see me? But most people in the comment section, I say, Kerry and Dwayne, and make sure so they save some money and send Saniqua go law school. You know? Yeah, she do be defend herself. And you may tell people them say Kerry and Dwayne, make sure so they look some money and send Saniqua go law school. You see me?
You know, say, me no want to wake up, you know, and I pick me up.
Yeah. Yo, me don't know if Kerry still tired same way.
No, man.
Although you go to bed late this morning. We still not go to bed early, guys. We go to bed same way like 4 o'clock and 3 o'clock in the morning. Which it don't make no sense.
And then me have to wake up to deal with Toby.
Oh, you ask me, say if I go sleep. I go sleep in my bed when morning come. Me I sleep till I'm tired for sleep. Me I wake up when my body want to wake up. I'm Friday when I look for you in our bed. Me can't find him. I say, where baby gone?
You have to get up for Toby. You notice, you know, from your start to school, I have to have
a buckle for blessing. That good, that good. That really nice.
But Choudhury and Crystal say she had cancer.
She never said so, I just call her.
Yeah.
I call Crystal like about 2 seconds ago since I come up here. So.
How would you say?
And she said be a rain a fall and them over there do some work, but should have to eat 2 fish like 7, 8 o'clock.
Oh boy, Crystal mouth not easy.
I went to tell her
Crystal
that.
just tell the Crystal my phone dead, man.
How many I tell the people that? How many I tell the people that on the vlog boy every time we go somewhere rain a fall?
Just the shadow cancer, but I say, I outside Crystal fried fish. So if rain a fall, what she gonna do?
She said the rain a fall over there?
Yet. But she said rain a fall.
Oh, yet. And guys, when I say it pour out the door, but this good for my garden.
Yeah.
I be people I say my garden too chuck up. Me understand one answer.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you. The man have a big yard and the man look like say a New York him live with no yard.
Like a New York garden. It is a New York garden. My people know what your face and so say my garden spread out. I take on advice with everything on that tell me.
Yeah, well you can't take advice from me.
But Kerry, me take your advice, but look there what me I go do. It have to just work. Little space where me have this with the side let me just work. The easy now.
You take nothing for your buy, sir?
Kerry, me know what yo you think a little bit of money for get so much soil and them thing, them in depend that.
If you do something you just do it.
Me I go Kerry right now. You see everything when I plant now, eh? Me I go eat and reap off of it. See everything when I have.
So what the rest of Canada them there?
Kerry, remember say me tell you say some of them.
Ask if you plant them.
I plant out most of them. I plant out most of them, but I did forget for plant. So the next day I did kind of tired because I jerk the chicken them for the whole night and go to bed like 5 o'clock in the morning. I get up and I don't remember nothing about the callaloo them so the next day. And some of them dry up and sweat up and burn up. So I plant out majority of them, Sister Jennifer. I plant out majority of them. No disrespect to the good up callaloo them. And see when I plant the people, them say I need space to put them. When I plant them good, so when them grow, I just have like couple like about 13, 14 callaloo tree. You know so that can give like that can feed the army. You understand? Me I
you
get
should have put the callaloo them up there so
Kerry, me have to go buy soil and I not spend no more money on the garden.
Oh my God.
Me done with spending soil. Me buy soil till soil out of style. Me have a soil round the front, me have a soil round the side, me have a soil round the back. Me now buy no more soil. Me plant corn, me I go reap. I My plant Irish, me I go reap.
I say we get some nice flowers, you know, them get through.
Them I catch root.
That
I
catch
look
root?
on it this morning.
Oh God.
Yeah, that's why you can see it at the bottom, but you want more root though.
To have more room.
Yeah, to have more root. But them only should have cut them shorter.
Oh, remember no me cut them.
Me I go cut them tomorrow.
Cut off the bottom of them,
Me I cut them. Don't worry, carry them.
and then we want them for planting on the ground.
Carry that too tall. Me I cut them short so you can put them in the ground and plant them with the root. Don't worry, me is the biggest farmer man around here. I don't try to do farming. I am a farmer. If the soil
If
is,
them want them catch root already, plant them. See when you cut it off, plant it in the ground. So let me see if it's a good.
no, it we can too. The part of my cut, carry it, you can plant the stick, you know, and then leave them bore so off of the stick, you know.
Because we want them on the two side.
Yeah, yeah.
For rain, man.
Yeah, man, rain a tear.
I'm hungry. Doing
What are you going to eat?
Popeyes.
You want Popeyes? Alright, I'm going to buy you Popeyes. I'm going to buy you Popeyes. But the rain a fall too hard, you know you can't see nothing out the road now when you drive. Watch out, she like the rain. You like to rain?
I should jump off of the bed and go the window.
Our father, man. Guys, not sweet me like when me lay down on my bed and I watch rain and fall, you know.
Fuck them two in there. You can see. She just look so.
And some me love. Me say every slippers wet out the door with Toby car. Me say I go and beat him. Me say Toby also beating if you get. Man, tell you them beating there come from Jupiter. Left it dirty something, man. Chud, left it dirty something. Give me it. Left it.
Ow.
Alright, start the fight. Start the
No, give
fight.
it back to me. No,
Why make you can't fight, sir?
come on, no pass.
Why you love to fight like that? You must stop the fighting. Somebody say they can't. Guys, somebody come in and say, blessing, I'm tired of you, man. You can't just hold the camera and say, hello everybody, make sure you put God first in everything. Yo, blessing. Blessing, come here. Come here. Come here, man. I know about the food. Come here.
No, she has.
Come here.
You see when time when she down there watch her Cocomelon?
She talk everything we go up on the Cocomelon. Everything. What do you catch her? I will catch her already. Take the pacifier out of her mouth. You see her like you said, the weeds on the bus go. See how they
said eat apples and see me here this morning.
Bananas.
So me know say I don't like tell. So me go say I like to eat here.
You just say apple, right? Yeah. She take out the pot.
She move her mouth.
But the words will come on.
Yeah,
Cause such a stage she's silent. Hear what she do? What the other day, I tell her she take comes up and take the pacifier out of her mouth and like she say bananas and put it back in her mouth. You understand? So she talk where she want to talk, say when she want.
Yeah. She have few words in her vocabulary, but not a whole lot. So far in my only ear she said she want Baba. She said mommy, of course. She said leave me. She said stop. She said no. And she said yes. And as me said, she sing the song them on the
everyone had something them on the Cocomelon. Like everything on the Cocomelon, she know it by heart. Like you have to just catch her because you want more than her. So she alone sit down and watch it and run up and down and watch it. You have to catch her in her mood. But I can't wait for she hold the camera and say, good morning guys. Make sure you put in God first. I'm a vlog baby, you know? I'm a vlog baby. I'm a vlog baby. I'm a vlog baby.
She hungry. You hungry? Yeah, me try make sure she says so. Take out it. Yeah.
Tell us something, you fight too much, man. Stop it. Come here, Dada. Come. I'm gonna make sure you get pissed off, man. Give her a... She have a tough cold on her. Can you get her something now?
What you want?
Mama said it. Mama said it. Where you want? Tell that where you want. What you want? Where you want? Tell that. Tell that where you want. Tell that what you want. What you want?
Look outside, listen, look.
Look at the rain. Look at the rain. Look at the rain. Can you make me pick this up right now in the chop? Yeah, man. I'll start digging up now. You see that? Ooh. You see the rain? Guys, give me a minute then. Guys, so it's here. These are the stuff happening in Georgia.
Yo, everything is trying to break your window.
First, you seen it?
Yes, I see it. Everything is just bouncing off.
What just say it?
Him come tell me.
Yo, who?
Yeah, but what go over there, sir? On foot.
It's him. There's a whole river.
Come look on it on the outside. Come look on them on the outside. The eyes.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, you see it on the outside?
Yeah, right there.
Look over there.
There's a lot. Mom, what about the cars?
Imagine how much is on the floor right now.
The cars and their trampoline.
First, you see it?
Oh, look in the trampoline right now. You see what I'm saying?
No! Every stone is in there.
I'm doing this.
So guys, I don't want to ramp with Father God and him weather, you know. You see, you just about 50,000 million hail drop around about this and front. You just look on the weather now. Look on the sky. Sky is bold and beautiful. So we're going over Crystal. That simple says to say done. Crystal, here we come. Some people, you don't know the thing that nature is all about nature for real, is it? So I'm just going to big up on yourself. And I hope you enjoy the vlog, my people. This one is very short. So we'll call it the mini vlog. So life blessings always. And remember guys, life, God is love. And remember, it's a blessing to worship Father God. So big up on yourself and stay positive, stay focused and keep an eye on the prize. And the prize is salvation. Oh.